Hi and hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing reverse dictionary function, and we're going to start with a tip for Jupyter Notebook. So if you're looking to install a NumPy library in Jupyter Notebook, you can do this by using this command, that -m pip install NumPy. But before this, we also need to import sys. Now let's run this. So you can see here the requirement is already satisfied. Now you can install any library directly in Jupyter Notebook using these commands. And this is a bonus tip for you. Now let's come back to the topic. Again, we're going to use the same approach, that is trying the code in 3.7 Python, and then we're going to try it in Python 3.8 environment. I've just created a dictionary. Let's run it. Now I'm going to print this dictionary in the reversed order. So this is a Python 3.7 environment. Let's run it. So see, this has created an error. Dictionary object is not reversible. I'm using the dictionary with the reversed command with dictionary item again, and again object is not reversible. Now let's try this in Python 3.8. Again, the same thing, the same dictionary, and I am printing a dictionary in the reversed order and dictionary items in the reverse order. So let's run this. First, I just clear the screen, and then I'm going to run this Python. Now you see this. This is not only given the keys of the dictionary in the first print, it has also reversed the item, and this has worked with Python 3.8. So let's Python -- version, and you can see it's Python 3.8, whereas in the Jupyter Notebook it was Python 3.7, and it did not work. So this is one of the major updates, and I really liked it because now dictionary can be reversed using the function reversed, and this is working without any syntax error. Okay, I hope that you liked this video. Especially you came to know about a new bonus tip about installing library and packages in Jupyter Notebook, and you also learned about reverse dictionary function within Python 3.8. Thank you.